اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم، میں پناہ مانگتا ہوں اللہ کی شیطان مردود سے۔ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم، شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو بڑا مہربان اور نہایت رحم والا ہے۔ جی نرسری، ریڈ دا فرسٹ کلمہ ود می۔ پہلا کلمہ طیب۔ طیب معنی پاک۔ لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ۔ ونس اگین نرسری، لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ۔ ترجمہ، اللہ کے سوا کوئی معبود نہیں اور حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم اللہ کے رسول ہیں۔ Now nursery class, we will read Surah Ikhlas in this week. So please read with me. Surah Ikhlas. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ قل ہو اللہ احد، اللہ صمد، لم یلد ولم یولد ولم یکن لہ کفوا احد۔ سورہ الکوثر۔ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ انا آتینا کل کوثر فصلی لربک وانحر انا شانئک هو الابتر۔ صدق اللہ العظیم۔ Yes, nursery class, welcome to the nursery class once again. So today here is teacher Faiza is here with you with the subject of math. I will teach you math from 9 to 11 a.m. and in this time you can ask any question, any confusion, okay? And at the end I want to tell you that your homework will be the same as your classwork, okay? Yes, nursery class, before we study our maths class, you know that first we start our class with the general knowledge questions. I will repeat the question of the last 2 weeks so it will keep safe in your mind. Our question number 1 was, who are we? Yes, quickly answer nursery class. Yes, we are Muslim. Our question number 2 was, what is the name of our religion? Yes, exactly right. The name of our religion is Islam. So now tell me nursery class, what is the name of our country? Yes, the name of our country is Pakistan. Next question, what is the color of our flag? The color of our flag is green and white. Exactly right, nursery class. Question number 5 is, what we found in our flag? Exactly right, nursery class. Star and crescent. Question number 6, how many prayers in a day? Right, there are 5 prayers in a day. Question number 7. What are the names of prayers? The answer is Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Now the question number 8 is how many days in a week? It's a tough one question, history class. So that's why I repeat this question in the current week also. So the answer is there are 7 days in a week. Question number 9 is what are the names of days in a week? Now, see class, start from the Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And question number 10 is who is the founder of Pakistan? G. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Now nursery class, there are the question of this week. So we will do these questions throughout the whole week, so it will keep safe in your mind. Our first question of the week is what is the name of our first prophet? The answer is Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Nursery class, repeat with me. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Question number 12 is what is the name of our last prophet? G. Exactly right, nursery class. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Again I will repeat. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Now the question number 2 is how many days in a week? Answer is there are 7 days in a week. Our question number 13 is what are the names of days? And the answer is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And our question number 14 is what is the name of our national poet? Poet means who write the poems. And the answer is Allama Iqbal. I will again repeat Allama Iqbal. And our last question of the week is what is our national dress? The answer is not mentioned here, but you know that Shalwar Kameez. I will repeat the answer Shalwar Kameez. Now nursery class, it's the maths work time. So are you ready to start the counting with the teacher? Wow, very good. So let's start the counting from 0 nursery class. Ready? Yes, say ready. Yes, nursery class. So read now with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now nursery class, look at these two numbers. We will do these two numbers in class. So read with the teacher. 1, 1, 11. Once again nursery class. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Assalamu alaikum and welcome nursery class. So it's our bookwork time nursery class. I have opened the page. Nursery class, open page number 1818. Okay nursery class, this is page number 1818. Now nursery class, as you know that first what we do, we write the date on the top of the page. So what is date today nursery class? Today date is 2/4/24 dash 9 dash 2020. Okay nursery, and we write C dot W at the middle of the page. Okay nursery class, we have write the date and the classwork on the middle of the pages. Now nursery class, read what comes after. Your nursery class, you know that we are doing this practice on our daily basis in our board work. So nursery class, I think you are very well known about this. So put a finger on number 1. Nursery class, what is this? 1. Again 1. So what comes after nursery class 1? Yes, they have put a dots with 2. 2 comes after 1. Okay nursery class, so we will trace it. Okay nursery, trace with me. Okay, now come to the next number, which is number 2. Nursery class, can you please tell me that what number comes after 2? Yes, 3. Which number comes after 2? 3. So we will write here 3. Write down here nursery class 3. Okay, now come down. Here is a number 3. Can you please tell me that what number comes after 3? Yes nursery class, read the counting. 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 3? 4. Write down 4 nursery class. Very good. G nursery class. Now come to the next number, which is number 4. Nursery class, can you please tell me that what number comes after 4? Yes nursery class, exactly right. 5. So we will write here 5. What we have to do, we have to simply count the counting. 5. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And nursery class, which number comes after 5? Read the counting up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number comes after 5? 6. So we will write here 6. One curve join another curve make 6. G nursery class. Now what is the next number? The next number is number 1. And which number comes after 1? You know very well. Yes, it's very simple. 2. So write down here 2 nursery class. I think it's very simple bookwork nursery class. Now come down. It's very enjoyable thing in nursery and we will make a fun in this. Here is trace and draw. It means they are saying that we need to trace the line and we have to draw something. Let's see what we have to draw. Oh my god, the lovely triangles. Okay, so nursery class, we will start from 1. Okay, nursery class, hold the 1 tracing line and do the tracing. Okay, nursery class, let's see it's come on which circle shape. Okay, nursery class, trace it, trace it, trace it, trace it, trace, 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 trace. Okay, it's end to this circle. So here is number 1 nursery class. So how many triangles we have to draw in this? Yes, only 1. Okay, nursery class, how many triangles we will draw? Only 1. Okay, nursery class. Now come to the next number, which is number 3. We will again trace the line and we will see in which circle it will come to end. Trace, 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 trace. Yes, it's come to end here. So how many triangles we will draw here? 3, because it's joined it with the number 3. So how many triangles we will draw here? 3. 1. The teacher triangle is not very good because teacher is holding the camera also, nursery. 2 and 3. Okay, nursery. Now come to the next number, which is number 5, and let's see where number 5 come end. Trace, trace. Oops, what's happening with the teacher line? Let's erase. Now teacher is doing a good tracing. Yes, it's come to that circle, nursery class, and the book has drawn the 5 triangles in that circles. Let's count the triangle, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, nursery class, the number 5 is joining up 5 triangles. Okay, nursery, let's move to the next number, which is number 4. What is the number? This is number 4. So nursery class, let's join the dots. Yes. So nursery is join that circle. So how many triangles we will draw here? 4. Because it joined number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Got it, nursery class? See, I have drawn the 4 triangles, nursery. Now let's come to the next number, which is number 2, nursery class. Okay, now join the number 2 line and let's see where it come to end. Yes, here. So how many triangles we will draw? We will draw two triangles here. 1 and 2. Got it, nursery class? Now here is our last number, which is number 6. Now nursery class, we will see where it come to end. Draw the tracing line, nursery class. Very neat. Your line should not come out of the dots, nursery class. Okay? Yes. So in that circles, how many triangles we will draw? Yes, we will draw 6 triangles. See, nursery class? 1, 2, draw small so 6 can easily come in that circle. 4, 5, and here is 6. Now nursery class, now it's up to you that if you want to color in these triangles, you can do to make your picture beautiful. Now come to the next page, nursery class, which is page number 1919. It's also very nice and enjoyable sort of a page, nursery class. Now what they are saying to us, they are saying us count and write. It means we have to count the things and we write the numbers, how many things are here. So let's see how many triangles are here. I have told you that you have to put a finger on the object and count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many triangles are here, nursery class? 6. So they already have write 6 with the dotted line and we only need to trace. Trace is, nursery class, very easy, simple. Now nursery class, move to the pencils. What is this, nursery? These are pencils. So let's count how many pencils are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pencils are here? 4. So which number we will write? We will write here number 4. Got it, nursery class? Like this. Now let's come to the balls. You have to count how many balls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls are here, nursery class? 5. So which number we will write here, nursery class? We will write 5. Got it, nursery class? Now move to the next number. Let's count the ice cones. You love cone ice cream, nursery? Yes, I also love it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cones are here? 4. So which number we will write here? We will write here 4. Okay, nursery? Now come to the bones. How many bones are here, nursery class? Now put a finger and count it with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bones are here, nursery class? 6. So write down here number 6. Got it, nursery class? Now move to the next part, which is fish. You have to count how many fish are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fish are here? 5. So which number we will write here? We will write here 5. So write down, nursery class. Got it? Now let's come to the next part, which is count and write. Here we also have to count and write. And the additional thing is the sign of plus. What is this sign called, nursery class? Plus. plus, plus. What is the sign called? Plus. And this is the sign called equal to. Again, nursery class, equal to. Nursery class, don't worry about these signs. When we inshallah meet next week in our class, we will learn more about it, okay? And you will learn easily in your class if you are not getting in the online classes, okay, nursery class? So only just you have to count the things and write down in that box. Here is a star. We only have to count how many stars are here. Put a finger on the star and count 1, 2. How many stars are here? Only 2. So write down in the box, nursery class 2. Okay? Now come to the ball. Let's count how many balls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balls are here? 4. So write down here, nursery class, 4. Got it, nursery class? Now let's move to the apple. How many apples are here? 1, 2, 3. How many apples are here? 3 apples. So what we have to write here? 3. Got it, nursery? Now let's move to the triangle. We have to count how many triangles are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many triangles are here? 5. So which number we will write? We will write number 5. Now let's move down, nursery class. Here are squares. We have to count how many squares are here. 1, 2, 3. Again, nursery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many squares are here? 6. So we will write in that box 6. Now let's move to the cone ice creams. How many cone ice creams are here? 1, 2, 3. How many cones ice cream are here? 3. So which number we will write? We will write here 3. Now nursery class is coloring time. Teacher and you both will do the beautiful coloring and we will meet after coloring, nursery. See, nursery, your teacher has done the color in all the picture in the triangles and in this picture, okay? You also do it and then come to me and we will do the book work. Ji nursery class, welcome on our board work. Nursery class, before we start our board work, we repeat our counting. Okay, nursery class, are you ready to repeat the counting, nursery? Okay. Now you will count the counting with your teacher. Okay, nursery? Now, what is this, nursery? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Nursery class, are you reading with me? Please focus on me. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30, 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37, 3, 8, 38, 3, 9, 39, 4, 0, 40. Nursery class, you know that today we will start our counting from 3, 6, 36. G nursery. So we repeat the counting from 36 once again. Okay, so it will get fixed in your minds. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. Okay, nursery class, today you will all send me the video of counting from 0 to 40. Let's go to the missing numbers nursery. G nursery class. We are here with the missing boxes. You know that what teacher has drawn on the board? What is the name of the shape nursery? Yes, the shape is square. What is the name of the shape nursery class? This is square. Nursery class, square has 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can say the square has 4 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. But all the 4 faces are equal in size. Okay, nursery? No line is big and no line is small. All the lines are of the same size. Okay, nursery? Do remember this thing. The square has equal size. Okay, nursery? So, what is this nursery class? Teacher has put number in some boxes and some boxes are empty. Okay, then what you have to do? Nursery class, you have to put number in that boxes. For this, you know the counting nursery class. I think you have learned enough today nursery. So, this is number 3, 6, 36. So, nursery class, what number comes after 3, 6, 36? G nursery class. Exactly right nursery class. 3, 7, 37. Which number comes nursery class? 3, 7, 37. So let's do the counting once again. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. And which number comes after 3, 8, 38 nursery class? G. Exactly right nursery class. 3, 9, 39. And the last box is left nursery class. So you can tell me which number comes after 3, 9, 39. Yes, think. It's difficult nursery. So okay, no problem. Your teacher will tell you 4, 0, 40. 4, 0, 40 comes after 3, 9, 39. So we will write here 4, 0. Again, nursery, look at this. 4, 0, 40. So you want to do the counting once again with your teacher? Yes, please, nursery. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. Now nursery class, it's your turn of your classwork. Now open your copies and do the work with your teacher. Come on. G nursery class, are you ready on your classwork time nursery? G nursery class, I have write the date on the top of the page. Please write down the date on the right hand side of your copy. And today date is 24/9/2020, and write down C.W in the middle of the page. And today nursery class we will do the counting from 3636 to 4040. Okay nursery class. Now, what is the first number nursery class? The first number is 3636. Okay nursery class. Write the 3 in one block and 6 and other block. Okay nursery class. And in the next column, put one finger and say it with the teacher. Leave one block. And write down 3636 here. Okay nursery class. In the next block, again say it with the teacher. Leave one block. And write down 3 in one block and 6 in another block. And fill the full line of 3636 on your page. Yes nursery class, I have write the full page of 3636 on the board. Now can you please tell me what number comes after 3636? Yes, exactly right nursery class, and it is 3737. Put the finger in the next block and say it with the teacher. Leave one block. And write down here 3737. Write down here 3737. Now in the next block, leave one block and write down here 3737. Got it nursery class? Now fill the full page of 37 and 37 and come to the teacher. Now nursery class, I have done the line of 3737 on my board, and I am moving to the next number. Please tell me which number comes after 3737. Yes, exactly right, and it is 3838. Now put your finger in the next block and say it with the teacher. Leave one block. And write down here 3 in one block and 8 in another block. Got it nursery class? So it becomes 3838. Again say it with me. 3838. Now in the next block, leave one block and write down here 3838 nursery class. Now fill the full page of 3838. G nursery class, your teacher has completed the line of 3838. Now then we are moving to the next number, which is 3939. Now nursery class, we will again put the finger in that block and say it with the teacher. Leave one block. And nursery class, we will write here 3939. Got it nursery class? Have you done it? Now in the next block, put your finger and say it with the teacher. Leave one block. And write down here 3939. Done it nursery class? Now again put the finger in the block and say it with the teacher. Leave one block. And write down here 3939. Fill the full line nursery. G nursery class, we are here with the last number because your teacher has completed the line of 3939. So nursery class, can you please tell me What is our last number, or which number comes after 3, 9, 39? Yes, Nursery. The last number is 4040. So we will leave one block and write down here 4040. Okay, Nursery class? Now in the next block, leave one block and write down 4040. Again, leave one block and write down 4040. Okay, Nursery class, we have completed our full page, and it's the time to repeat the counting of the day last time. Are you ready to repeat the counting with me, Nursery? G, Nursery class. Put your finger on your copies now, Nursery class, and repeat it with your teacher. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4040. Again. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4040. Now, Nursery class, we have done our classwork, and I have told you enough time that our homework is same as our classwork. And now we are going to do the activity, Nursery class, that I have promised last time. Now let's move to the activity.